We arrived around 8 p.m. last night to the lovely village of Sarfannguit, and the reason why we had so much trouble turns out that was because we have an outdated map. We bought the to the Simiut map, which was perfect for the Arctic Circle Trail, but the southern route was outdated. They've created a new one with cairns to follow, and we just got confused by our map, so we kept going the wrong way. We came from my left side right over here, and we were supposed to come from where you can see the tiny white tent. It would have saved us a lot of height and a lot of trouble, so make sure you have the correct route if you choose to do the southern trail, like in case of a fire or just for its beauty. If you want to get away from people, definitely that's the way to go. We've met 16 people on the Arctic Circle Trail. We didn't meet a single person on the Southern Trail, and it's stunning. So just keep that in mind. When we reached Sarfannguit, we called the number that was up on the poster in the Greenlandic hut, and it was a kind old man called Aaron. He made sure we got picked up from the other side. And usually you get to sleep in the school, which has this lovely view, but it's undergoing some renovations, so Aaron kindly offered that we could stay in his home, and he's been so nice to us, and it's been so great having a shower. And because of the trouble last night, we're taking a day zero, so we're not doing much. We're just enjoying this village and doing a little of grocery shopping for the last 3 days. And yeah, tomorrow we'll start off from where we were supposed to end up yesterday. If you do choose to come here, I recommend staying an extra night because it's gorgeous, and you can actually do some hikes towards some old ruins. It's an island, so you can't really go wrong.